Hello everyone. Today I will solve some questions related to linear inequations, and I will solve different types of questions so that you will be able to understand how to solve such problems. Okay, just see different types of questions. Like type 1, we have to find the solution set of given inequation. Okay. Then type 2, when we will get the values of x but the conditions are given, like x is a real number or x is an integer. Then next type of question, when we have to find the range of values and graph these values of x on the number line. Okay, we will draw graph line. Then when the values of x should be natural numbers, like x belongs to natural numbers, and we have to represent this on a number line. So in previous question we have x belongs to real numbers and we will see the number line, and in this question x belongs to natural number and again we will observe the number line, difference of number lines. And the last part is write open mathematical sentences using x for the variable whose graphs would be open. What are open mathematical sentences? Let me explain you. Open mathematical sentences means you have to write the values of x in set builder form. That are open mathematical sentences. Okay, we have to write them in set builder form, because in my previous video I have explained you that whenever there are dark dots or open circles, you have to mention the number system, and if there is a continuous line then you have to write the real numbers. Okay, but here we have to write set builder form in each of these questions because it is given in the question. We have to write open mathematical sentences, so we will write in set builder form only. Now let's begin with first question. If x is a negative integer, find the solution set of this. First of all, I will write the linear inequation. Okay, and just observe the steps and listen carefully how to solve linear inequations. In case of equals to, like in case of linear equation, you will take LCM, right? So here we will not write that taking LCM, we will write multiply by 3 so that denominator will be eliminated. Okay, we will write multiply by 3. Okay, in bracket only. Now I will open the bracket and like terms will be solved, like 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, now just observe this step. In case of linear equation, you will shift this 3 to the right side and it becomes minus 3. Okay, but in case of linear inequation, we will not shift this 3, we will write add minus 3 on both the sides. So you will get x greater than minus 3. And in question it is given x is a negative integer. Okay, x is a negative integer. So what are the values of x? Negative integers are greater than minus 3. So greater than minus 3 will be minus 2 and minus 1. Okay, 0 and positive integers will not be included because in question it is given. Any problem? I think you don't have any problem if you will see the steps carefully. Now just come to this question. In this question, first of all we have to write the linear inequation 25 minus 4x less than equals to 16. So to get the value of x, we have to write add 4x on both the sides because the term of x should be positive. So we will write add 4x on both the sides here. You can directly write the next step. You can. Actually, I am explaining, so I am not doing the solution with any shortcut method. Okay, now the 4x is positive and we have to subtract 16 from both the sides, so that 4x will be present on right side only and the number will be on left side only. We are adding minus 16, or we can write subtract 16 from both the sides. Now what we will get, it will be 9 less than equals to 4x. Okay. Don't get confused that why we are not inverting or reversing this sign, because we are not multiplying or dividing by negative number. Okay, we are just adding or subtracting the numbers. We are not multiplying or dividing by negative numbers, so we will not do this. Now here we can write 9 by 4 less than equal to x. We can write this x greater than equals to 9 by 4. Meaning will not get changed because opening side is on x side only. So x is greater than equal to 9 by 4, or we can write in decimal form also. It will be what? You can do rough work also. Okay. 2.25. Now the first condition is find the smallest value of x when x is a real number. When x is a real number, so minimum value can be 2.25, because x is real number and decimal numbers and fractional or rational, irrational are real numbers. Second condition is find the smallest value of x when x is an integer. When x is an integer, so smallest value will be what? X should be greater than equal to 2.25. Greater than equal to 2.25, so smallest value will be 3. Next integer will be 3. Okay. Now we will solve this question. In this question, it is given find the range of values of x which satisfies this. Graph these values of x on the number line. First of all, I will write the linear inequation. Actually here this is combined linear inequations. First part is this and second part is this. So first I will consider this part, minus 2 whole 2 by 3 less than equals to x plus 1 by 3. So first I will change this term of mixed fraction into simple fraction. 3 into 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, minus 8 by 3 less than equals to x plus 1 by 3. To eliminate denominator, we have to multiply by 3 in each term. So it becomes minus 8 less than equals to 3x plus 1. Okay, to get the value of x, we have to shift 1 on left side, means we have to subtract 1 from both the sides, and we will get this. Minus 9 less than equals to 3x, minus 9 by 3 less than equals to x, and we can write in correct format here. So x is greater than equals to minus 3. Minus 3 less than equals to x less than 3, such that x belongs to real numbers. Okay, and we have to graph this. So just draw a number line. In exam you have to draw with pencil only, and we will see observe the values minus 3 and 3. So we will write 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 this side, 1, 2, 3, 4 this side, and here it is written x is greater than equal to minus 3. It means, well, this minus 3 is included, so we will put dark circle here, and x is less than 3 but not equal to 3. So 3 is excluded. So we will write open circle here. We will draw it and we will just trace this line. This is the graph line. Okay. Now coming to next question. X belongs to natural number and inequation is given. So we will write inequation. And you can observe the difference in number lines in previous question. In this question you can compare that how the number lines differ. Again this is combined equation, so we'll consider first part. -1 less than 3 minus 2x. Here 2x is negative, it should not be, so we will add 2x on both the sides and we will get this. Now to get the value of x, we have to shift this -1 to right side, means we have to add 1 on both the sides. So we will get this x is less than and x is less than 2. Now from second part, just consider the second part of this linear inequation. 3 minus 2x less than equal to 7. Again x, the term 2x should not be negative, so we will add 2x on both the sides. And to get the value of x, we have to shift this 7 on left side, means we have to add -7 on both the sides. It will be this. We can write like this, and in systematic way we can write like this. X is greater than equal to -2. Okay, so combine inequation 1 and 2. What are the inequations? Actually this 1 and this is 2. So we get the range of values of x. X is greater than equal to -2. Now opening side is on x side and less than 2. But in question it is given x belongs to natural number. X belongs to natural number. So solution set will be written in, it should be in roster form. So what are the values? -2 should not be included. Sorry, it is included. Sorry, -2 should be included. So we should write -2, -1, 0, 1, but not 2, because here equals to is not there. Okay, so -2, -1, 0, 1. And graph line, just observe the graph line. 0, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3, and -2, -1, 0 and 1. So we will put dark dots on -2, -1, 0 and 1. Simple. Now coming to next question. Write open mathematical sentences, means we have to write all the solutions in set builder form. See, what is the solution set? X such that values are from -2, means all the values are less than -2, correct? So x such that x should be less than equal to -2, and x belongs to real numbers here, because this line is traced. Here since we have to write open mathematical sentences, so we should write in set builder form again. X such that values of x ranges between 4 and 5. So 4 and 5, x will be, and values are included actually because dark circles are there, and x belongs to natural numbers. In this question actually 1, 3, 5 odd numbers, but it ranges between 1 and 5. So again we will write x such that 1 less than equal to x less than equal to 5, means 1 and 5 are included, and x belongs to 1 natural numbers, x must be odd number. Natural number means all the positive numbers and odd numbers. Here x such that values ranges from -2 to infinity. So x is greater than equal to -2 and x belongs to real numbers because line is traced. Here all the values are less than -2 and here all the values are greater than -2. Okay, after watching this video you can solve different types of linear inequations questions.